Hello, and welcome to my next Executive Series video. Our topic today is scope. Aaron Snyder here from Quality Systems Explained, where we make quality systems simple for you. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. Check out the status bar below for our agenda and stick around to the end for the bonus questions. Our topic, scope, comes directly from 211.1. Scope in 5 words. 211's interactions with other regulations. Here, the FDA in Part 211 establishes the minimum good manufacturing practices for drug products. They do have some exclusions here, the first being positron emission topography drugs, which have their GMPs listed under 21 CFR Part 212. Similar to 210.1 and 210.2, we get a review of the biologics regulations, the human cells, human tissue, and human tissue and cell products regulations, along with the statement around any conflicts between those regulations defaulting to the product-specific regulation. And finally, we close out this section with a review of the OTC drug product exemption. These products and all of their components are considered exempt if they were originally marketed and consumed as human food. To make this determination, the FDA points to parts 110 and then 113 through 129. These sections will help make the determination of if those OTC drug products are exempt from the GMPs. So how do I know this is working? Well, first, the manufacturer has clearly defined the scope of their quality management system and documented all applicable FDA regulations. Second, if the manufacturer's product falls into one of the other regulated categories, that regulation is specifically called out and the quality management system meets its requirements. And then finally, if the manufacturer produces one of the exempted products, positron emission topography drugs or OTC drugs, the correct regulation is identified and covered within the quality management system. So how do I know it's not working? First, the manufacturer doesn't understand all the applicable regulations for the product. And then second, they haven't defined the scope of their quality management system and captured all those requirements, all the different regulations that they have to fulfill. And now for those 3 bonus questions. First, do we make any of the exempted products? Positron emission topography drugs or OTC drugs? Second, how do we document the scope of our quality management system? And then third, where do we document the scope of our quality management system? Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Send any questions to me at qms.jedi@gmail.com. This is Aaron Snyder from Quality Systems Explained, making quality systems simple for you.